I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to that. The curl patterns is really nice. It gives you the Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Micheline. I focus on fashion and lifestyle. Please consider to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is easy, it's quick. I'm going to show you guys how I put these clip-ins in my hair. There's this Amazon seller who sent it to me to do a review, but I didn't want to do a review yet until I actually try it myself and see how I like it. And because I do like it, I decided to share with you guys. The hair is wavy. It came in a natural color, but I dyed it to match my hair color. I didn't do a good job, but it's darker than it was initially. They sent over 2 packs because I wanted it to be enough for my head. And honestly, I like this hair because this is the easiest hairstyle I have ever had. This was my first time trying the clip-ins, and I like it. So if you are a person who likes like easy hairstyle, or you want to change for dinner or for anything, please stick around and see how I change my look in less than 15 minutes. So first I part the middle because I like to have a middle part. My hair is natural. I just have it flat iron so I can match the hair texture. I'm not sure if it's really straight, but I think it is. I like my middle part to be deep. That's why I have it all the way here. And what I do, instead of starting mine from the back, I start from the front. Why? Because my hair is, you can see my hair is kind of quite here thin, and I want it to be full as possible. I like to start from the front, that way I can see how full it gets, and if I don't have enough hair, the back won't be that bad, you know what I mean? Because once the front is done, the back can survive. Because they sent 2 packs, it means I have 2 of each. I'm going to use this for the front, the 2 clips right here. Now I have to say something. Because I like my hair to be as flat as possible, I will not do this right here like a curve, because I don't want it to be bumpy right here. That's the reason why I'm going to use this. I'm going to use it on each side, as so. And then the rest I will do round. And all you need to do, just put it right here and snap it. That's literally it. Snap it. And this is the result so far. Then I'll do the same thing over here, the other side. So guys, I left some hair here. I didn't bring the hair, the extension all the way here, because then I would be limited as far as styling it. That's why I left some hair on the edges, that way I have enough, you know, I have more options to style my hair whenever I feel like it. So once this is done, I'm going to do another one. This time I can go ahead and turn it around, do the U. I'm using the 3 clips simply because this curve is not long yet. I'm keeping the longer one for the middle. So really just go, you clip it, clip it. I'm sure you guys can hear it. Okay, so now that my front is done, I can go ahead and do the back. Just gonna lay it down when I'm done. You can just wear a scarf. This is what I was talking about. So guys, I'm going to turn it around and show you how I do it. I'm going to do my best. Hopefully you can see it clearly, because I don't know what the camera will do. I hope you guys can see it. So what I do, I leave some hair back here, and I use this clip, the single one. You see how open it is? So really what you do, just hook in the hair, and then that's so. I'm sorry, my camera lost focus. I'm not sure why. Now I'm going to use the two clips. I'm going to play some music and let you guys watch how I clip it. I do care a lot about my sides, so I am focusing on it. As you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but I am. And the hair is pretty thick. I know it's wavy, but still, it's thick. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the side so far. So now I can go back to the back and do my U. I'm sure it's not the best, I cannot see, but if it's very secure, then you want to make sure that the clip is not on your hair, because you don't want it to break your hair. I kind of like this side. Now I want to do the side part. I think it's cool. Time for the 4 clips. That's what I'm using right now. The longest one, because I'm almost all done. So we need our longest. And I would recommend you buying 2 packs. Depending on how thick the hair is. This hair, for me, it wasn't thick enough to use only 1 pack. Like I said, I like my hair to be not too full. I'm looking crazy, I'm sorry. I like my hair to be full enough. So when they sent me the 1 pack, it wasn't enough for me. Unless you have like a lot of hair already. If you do have a lot of hair, I don't think you need 2 packs. But my hair is not a lot. I needed 2 packs for a full head. So guys, this is what it looks like. I need to wear a scarf or go ahead and put some heat at the front so it can be flat. But this is the result. How pretty. I like this hair because it's not heavy. I like the curl patterns. It's really nice. It gives you that, you know, exotic look, I think. What do you guys think about it? It's pretty. I have already wore this hair, like I said at the beginning of the video. It's good. I washed it and dyed it and still good. I just let it air dry. So this hair is a go. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, this was my very first hair tutorial I tried, and I hope I did okay. Please let me know in the comments. Also give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. I appreciate you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay